Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, go to search bar and simply type here powercfg.cpl, and from the search results click on it to open it. Once we are here, select change plan settings, then click on restore default settings for this plan, then select S. Once done, close this window and go to settings, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select personalization, then simply just scroll down and select colors, and from the accent colors we need to select manual. Once done, we need to select accessibility. Once we are here, then just scroll down and go to visual effects, and from here go to animation effects, and we need to turn off this option. Again, go back to system tab, and so this is done. Just close this. In the final step, simply go to search bar and type in device manager, and we need to update the drivers of display adapters. So just expand this and right click here, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update drivers. Select the first option, make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then the best drivers will be automatically installed, and close this window. Simply restart your system, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.